Hello guys, this is Audrey. Look at my book. But still you cannot understand. Oops. I need to turn it again. Sorry, I got a scrape. There's a house because I am an architect. And I can move it like this. And this is with this whatever. A half house with this book. And I made a Metro City buildings. I draw it because I am architect. And actually McDonald's. Bye!